let's derive Bohr radius. So consider an electron of mass m, electron of mass m revolving around a nucleus, okay, with some velocity. Okay, let's say this is in n orbit, okay, so the velocity will be vn, okay. This is first orbit, second orbit, or third orbit, we don't know, okay. Let's say it is this electron is revolving in n orbit, nah? Round the nucleus, okay. This is nucleus which has z proton, okay, z number of proton. So here charge of electron is E and charge of proton is also E, but charge of electron is minus E, okay, but magnitude is same, okay, E is same. So now from Bohr second postulate, okay, let's say the radius is Rn, okay, since I'm giving suffix n, since it is moving in n orbit, okay, because there will be so many orbit, okay, but we don't know which orbit it is revolving. So let's say it is orbiting in n orbit, okay. So that is why the radius is Rn, okay. Now from second second, from second postulate, what is second postulate? Second postulate of Bohr model, Bohr atomic model. So what is the second postulate? Second postulate says that angular momentum is equal to n h by 2 pi, n h by 2 pi. N is what? N is the orbit, n denotes the orbit, okay. If n is, or if the electron is moving in first orbit, then n will be equal to 1, So here angular momentum formula mv r, but here our velocity is vn and radius is rn, equal to, okay, now this electron is in which orbit? N orbit, so n will become n only, okay, n is equal to n only, n h by 2 pi. Now from here vn will be equal to nh by, not h cut, nh by, so vn, so this m and r will go to this side, that means it will go down, nh by 2 pi m rn. Okay, make this equation 1. Okay, now from first postulate, what does it say? Centripetal force is equal to electrostatic force, so centripetal force formula, centripetal force is equal to electrostatic force, E for electrostatic force, I will just write electrostatic force. So centripetal force formula is mv square by r, so mv, here v is vn, v square by r, r is rn, equal to 1 by 4 pi e naught q1 q2 by r square, rn square. So q1 q2 is q here, okay, q1, let's say this electron is q1 is e and q2 is ze, number of proton into charge na, Ze. Okay, you can write minus E also, okay, but minus no need to write, okay. We will take the magnitude only. Ze is first charge and second charge is E na. mvn square by rn equal to 1 by 4 pi e naught 2. You can write k also, right? Ze square by rn square. So this is equation number 2. Now substituting the value of Vn, this Vn from equation 1 to equation 2. So Vn, we have to put here Vn value, okay. So Vn is, okay, m by rn. So Vn value is, this is the, so n score, since this is Vn score, so we have to score this one na. If we score, then we will get n score h score, n score h, not, this is not h score, n score h score, 2 score is 4 now, 4 pi score, 4 pi score, 4 pi score, m score rn score na, rn score equal to 1 by 4 pi e naught Ze score by rn score. Now take out this rn and this rn score cancel, this 4 and this 4 cancel, and then okay, 1m and here 1m cancel, okay, 1 pi and 1 pi cancel, so we will have n score h score rn pi m equal to Ze score by e naught. So we have to find rn na. So rn again, n score h score pi m. So rn take that side, okay, so it will be rn na, and Ze score take this side, okay, this side, so it will go downside na, and e naught will go upside, right? So e naught will go upside and Ze score will go downside na, Ze score pi m Ze score. So rn equal to n score h score e naught by pi m Ze score. Okay, here this pi is constant, this mass of electron is constant, Z in this atom Z is also constant, E naught is constant, H is Planck constant, charge of electron is also constant, so this part is constant only, so I can write constant into n score na, rn, or if you remove constant sign it will be proportionality sign na. So rn radius is directly proportional to n score, okay.